The universe is a place of infinite wonders. Some are hidden in the deepest reaches of space. Did you know that we finally discovered a star system so packed with stars it seems almost impossible? From self-repairing spacecraft to the secrets of finding alien life. Today, I am going to tell you about the most mind-blowing discoveries in space and science. This is fresh science, and we are heading straight into the future horizons. 1. Self-repairing spacecraft, reinforce. Deep space is a shooting gallery of microscopic debris, where a single tiny pebble can spell disaster for a multi-billion-dollar mission. To fight this, the European Space Agency is developing a revolutionary technology inspired by the human body, self-healing spacecraft. Through a project called Reinforce, engineers are embedding microscopic capsules and vein-like networks directly into the ship's hull. When a micrometeoroid creates a crack, these capsules burst open, releasing a specialized healing agent that hardens instantly to seal the wound. This isn't just about safety, it's about the future of exploration. By allowing ships to repair themselves, we can build lighter, more efficient vessels capable of surviving the years-long journey to Mars or the moons of Jupiter, ensuring that our reach into the stars remains unbroken. 2. Record-breaking cosmic laser, Nkalakatha. Imagine a signal that began its journey 5 billion years ago when the universe was just 2/3 of its current age. Astronomers using the Meerkat radio telescope in South Africa have officially detected the most distant hydroxyl megamaser ever found. Nicknamed Nkalakatha, which means Big Boss in Zulu, this record-breaking cosmic laser is the result of a truly violent event. Two massive galaxies crashed into each other with such force that they compressed vast clouds of gas, causing hydroxyl molecules to emit a concentrated beam of radio waves across the void. This discovery isn't just a technical achievement, it serves as a direct window into the early evolution of our universe, showing us exactly how galaxies grew and collided during their most chaotic stages of development. 3. Exoplanets and the search for life. For centuries, we looked at the stars and wondered if we were truly alone. Until the early 1990s, we didn't even know for sure if other stars had planets at all. Today, we have confirmed over 5,500 exoplanets, ranging from massive gas giants to rocky worlds just like our own. But the search has changed. With the James Webb Space Telescope, we are no longer just finding these planets, we are literally sniffing their atmospheres. By analyzing how light passes through distant air, scientists are searching for biosignatures, like methane and oxygen, that could signal the presence of life. We are hunting for the Goldilocks Zone, that perfect distance where water stays liquid and life can thrive. Every new world we find brings us one step closer to answering the ultimate question: is there someone else out there looking back at us? If we do find a biosignature like oxygen on a distant world, do you think we should try to contact them immediately? Or is it safer to remain silent and just observe? Let me know your stance on the great silence in the comments. 4. Interplanetary Habitable Zone. For decades, we defined the habitable zone by a simple question: can a single planet hold liquid water? But NASA scientist Caleb Scharf is rewriting the rules of astrobiology with a revolutionary concept called the Interplanetary Habitable Zone, or IHZ. Instead of looking at just one world, the IHZ measures how easily life, or a technological civilization, can spread across an entire star system. It's not just about water anymore, it's about energy efficiency, the cost of traveling between orbits, and the availability of resources like asteroids. While systems like TRAPPIST-1 have many planets packed together, high radiation and complex gravity might actually make traveling there much harder than in our own solar system. This new metric shifts our search from finding a second Earth to finding a second interplanetary neighborhood, changing how we look at the potential for multiplanetary civilizations in the cosmos. 5. The most crowded star system, TIC 1203-62137. Imagine a sky with not one, but 4 suns, all locked in a gravitational dance so tight it seems impossible. Astronomers have just discovered the most compact quadruple star system ever recorded. Known as TIC 1203-62137, this system features a triple star core orbiting within a space no larger than Mercury's orbit around our Sun. A 4th star circles this energetic trio, with the entire system fitting inside a space smaller than the orbit of Jupiter. These stars are massive and burning hot, and their proximity creates a laboratory for the most extreme gravitational forces in the cosmos. Scientific models predict that in about 9 billion years, these 4 giants will eventually merge, ending their journey as a pair of white dwarfs. This discovery forces us to rethink how complex star systems are born and how they survive in such crowded, chaotic environments. 6. Half-Mobius carbon chain. In the world of chemistry, shapes define reality, but scientists have just built a molecule that defies everything we thought was possible. Using atomic tools to move individual atoms on a surface of salt, researchers from IBM and the University of Manchester created the first half-Mobius carbon ring. Unlike anything found in nature, this molecule has a 90-degree twist in its electronic path. It is so complex that an electron must travel around the ring 4 full times just to return to its original phase. This is a quantum phenomenon that even supercomputers struggle to calculate, which is why scientists had to use a quantum computer to verify its existence. This isn't just a lab experiment, it represents a new era of molecular engineering where we can build artificial materials with exotic properties for the quantum technologies of tomorrow. 7. Heat-resistant next-generation batteries. One of the biggest hurdles for electric vehicles has always been extreme heat. In high temperatures, standard lithium-ion batteries lose range, degrade quickly, and can even become a safety risk. But a breakthrough published in Nature Energy is about to change the game. Researchers have engineered a new type of electrolyte that remains stable even at temperatures above 60 degrees Celsius. This molecular redesign prevents the internal chemicals from breaking down, allowing batteries to keep over 95% of their capacity after hundreds of cycles in intense heat. This technology doesn't just make electric cars safer and more durable, it opens the door for high-performance travel in the world's hottest climates, from the deserts of Africa to the Australian outback, making the future of transport truly global. Heat-resistant batteries could finally make electric travel possible in the harshest deserts. But do you think technology alone can solve our climate crisis? Or do you feel that small individual changes are still the only way to truly make a difference? Share your perspective in the comments below. These were the most exciting breakthroughs in technology and space for this week. Which of these future-shaping discoveries fascinated you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Fresh Science is here to bring you the most exciting breakthroughs from the edge of discovery. If you want to stay ahead of the latest news in science, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. You can find all the scientific sources used for this video in the description below. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep learning. Stay curious and stay fresh.